Okay, I just want to share with you. I have had that trap set for a little while. You can see the old mound there. I thought I was in the run, but I must have been a little off, except he pushed dirt into it once and I cleaned it out and stuck it back in the tunnel. And I'm guessing he closed that part of the tunnel off. So not every set is a success, and I would not try to have you believe in that. But he's pushed up some fresh dirt here. I've already probed pretty much all the way. I started there probing around about, a foot out from the mound. And I've probed around to here, and I believe I've got a good feel for, see how it just drops in there? I mean, I had to push it through a little bit. Let me move over a couple inches. But then you saw how it just poof right down. That makes me think I'm in the tunnel. I ran out of friction for 4 or 5 inches there, and it just goes straight down. So I'm pretty confident that's it. So I'm gonna just, oh yeah, because it just about caved in a little bit. That's one thing about this sandy soil. It can be a little tough, but I've got a pretty defined tunnel here. I like my odds, and I will keep you posted. I'm gonna wallow it out. I broke my wallowing tool the first day, being a little too aggressive, not understanding that the plastic was light, the wallowing tool that comes with it. So what I just did, I had one of these old Gopher poison deals that laying around, and it goes right in there pretty nice to get me started. I'm gonna just wallow it a little bit. The problem is, if it's a little dry and powdery and they've torn everything up underneath it, oh, there we went. I just settled on down into it. I was up a little high. Anyway, I'm just gonna gently wallow this out. This is a little hard to do. I wish I had Bo out here or Luke to actually make the video. And then I've got an old hoe handle here. And again, you can see when it goes down, I hit a solid bottom there. Makes me think I'm in his tunnel, and it's a pretty good made out ran tunnel. So I'm gonna just wallow this out a little. It comes, if you buy the set, it comes with this little probe I'm using. And then it comes with a wallowing tool. And you just heard that hoe handle crack a little bit, probably. You kind of got to be gentle to do it. I really don't have it wallowed out like I'd like, but I'm going to use the trap, and I'm going to go ahead and wallow it down in there. There, I landed. I hit solid. Here, hole, hit solid. Okay, I can't set it with one hand or I'd show you, but you do not push down on this. I'm telling you, it'll damage your wire basket down in there. I pushed down on one trying to tamp some dirt and pushed, didn't know what had happened. I'd read on the forums that could happen, and I pushed down too hard, and when I went to open my trap, my wires were all bent, and it's kind of heck to get them straightened out with pliers without setting your trigger. So do not push down. But anyway, I'll grab this. I'll hold this, and I'll grab this, and I'll pull up on it, and that'll set the trap. I'll keep you posted.